In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install, connect, and use the Joplin Web Clipper. Joplin's Web Clipper lets you save web pages directly into your notebook so you can organize articles, full pages, bookmarks, or screenshots without copy pasting. Before we begin, make sure you have the Joplin desktop app installed and open, because the Clipper communicates with the desktop app and won't work if it isn't running. Let's start by installing the extension. Open your browser's extension store, either Chrome Web Store or Firefox add-ons, and search for Joplin Web Clipper. When you find it, click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox, then confirm the installation. After a moment, you should see the Joplin Web Clipper icon appear near your browser's address bar. Next, enable the Clipper inside Joplin. In the desktop app, go to Tools, then Options, and select Web Clipper. Turn on Enable Web Clipper Service. This switch is essential. It allows your browser to talk to Joplin securely. If you're on a different operating system where menus look a bit different, you'll still find Web Clipper in the app's settings or preferences. Now connect the extension to Joplin. Click the Joplin Web Clipper icon in your browser. The extension should automatically detect the running Joplin app. If you're prompted inside Joplin to authorize the connection, click Authorize. That confirmation links your browser to the desktop app, and once you see it connected, you're ready to start clipping web pages. Using the Clipper is simple. Open any web page you want to save and click the Joplin Web Clipper icon. Choose how you want to capture it. Complete Page saves the entire page with layout and images, great for preserving context. Simplified Page strips away ads and sidebars to keep just the article content for clean reading. Bookmark stores the title, URL, and a short note, perfect for quick references without the page content. Screenshot captures a visual snapshot of the page. After choosing the format, select the notebook where you want it saved, adjust any options shown, and click Confirm. Switch back to Joplin and you'll see the saved content appear in the notebook you selected. A few important tips before we wrap up. The Joplin desktop app must be running for the Clipper to work. The Web Clipper is designed for desktop browsers and does not work on mobile. If the extension doesn't connect, double check that the Web Clipper service is enabled in Joplin and make sure your firewall isn't blocking the connection. That's it. You've installed the extension, enabled the service, connected the Clipper, and captured your first web page into Joplin.